Sorry guys, I did not record this. I forgot. Okay. Yeah. So I am saying that if you take any linear factor, you know, right, there will be a value of x for which the polynomial will be zero, you know, right? Because at that point we change the sign, and that point is called a critical point. So tell me, in this expression, how many critical points can you see? Tell me, in this expression, how many critical points you can see? Everyone. Yes, 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 Sarisha. Every point, right? Every point. When you talk about critical point, we talk about a polynomial, no? Right? For this polynomial, right, the points that, right, that will become zero, you know, or that is responsible for the sign change, right? That is the critical point. For example, here we have 3, right? X minus 3, right? If you see this, so it will become what? X equal to 3, x plus 2, right? If you take this, you will get what? X equal to minus 2, and x minus 1 can be 0, and this will be, tell me, x equal to 1. Yes or no? So how many critical points do we get? How many critical points do we get over here? 3, right? Very good. Easy enough. Okay, now I hope all of you know number line. Tell me, all of you know number line. This is the first step. I guess everyone understood and remember the concept of this. Okay, right? Okay, now this is step 1, right? This is step 1. So what is step 1, guys? Then what is step 1? To identify critical points. Everyone understood what is critical point? Can you identify critical points? Tell me. Can you identify critical points? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. Right? Very good, Puneet. Very good. Now, second thing. This is step 1. So what to do after we identify the critical points? Very good, Pratagya. Very good. Second step is plot that on number line. Plot that on number line. Okay, plot this on number line. So it will be what? Right? Only these critical points, right? Only these critical points. You don't have to put any other number. Only these 3 critical points. So if you see these 3 critical points, we have what? -2, 1, and 3. I guess step 2 is clear, yes or no? Step 2 is clear, very, very clear. Right? Now step 3. Okay. Now step 3 is actually very, very easy and intuitive. Right? If you see this number line, right? If you see the number line, tell me in how many parts the number line is divided. Tell me. Trisha, tell me in how many parts this number line is divided. Right? 4, correct. 4 parts. Right? 4 parts. Very good. Very good. Now, if you see this, how many cases we had? Tell me. How many cases we had? 4, no? Yes or no? Right? Yes? Okay? Right? Anyways, this has nothing to do with that, but yeah. Right? So see this. If you take any value, right, which is greater than 3, take any value which is greater than 3, enough, right? Any value, right? Take 4. Take 4. I'll just write the equation over here for your comfort. Okay. I'll just write the equation over here. Take any number which is greater than, yes, random value, any value greater than 3. Take 4, 4 minus 3, positive, negative, tell me. Positive into positive into positive, what I will get? Think about it. Positive only, yes or no? What I'm doing, I'm putting x is equal to 4. I'm putting x equal to 4 here, and I'm just checking, right? 4 minus 3 is equal to 1, positive. Got it? Everyone got this? right? I'm putting the value of x, any random value which is greater than 1, any random value which is greater than 1. So here I've taken x equal to 4, right? And I'm putting that. This is clear? Tell me, this is clear? Conceptually, this is clear? Right? So here, if you take anything greater than 4, it will be what? Positive. Now, can I say that if we take anything between 1 and 3, if we take anything between 1 and 3, tell me, anything between 1 and 3. Tell me, right? Take 2, take the value 2, right? Yes, you can take fraction also, you can take anything and can decimals, because you don't need actually the value, you just need the sign. You don't need the value, you just need the sign. Okay, you don't need the value, you just need the sign. Okay, right? So if you take 2, take x equal to 2, what you will get? X minus 3. So 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3 is positive or negative? Tell me, 2 minus 3 is positive or negative? Right? So negative. Very good. 2 minus 1, positive. 2 plus 2, positive. So minus into plus into plus, what we will get? Negative into positive, what we will get? Minus into plus. Negative. Very good. Very good. Correct. Now this is case 1. Sorry. I've written at wrong position. Very good. Negative. Yeah. Now take anything between 1 to minus 2. Take anything between 1 to minus 2. Anything 1 to between minus 2. Tell me. I guess I can take 0. I can take 0. Hayana. Right? Yes. Comfortable. Right? 0 is comfortable. Hayana. Now, if you put x equal to 0, 0 minus 3, positive or negative? Tell me. 0 minus 3, positive or negative? Negative, obviously. 0 minus 1, ye be negative. This is also negative. And 0 plus 2, this is positive. So negative into positive, right, will give me positive. Yes or no? I don't have to find the value. That's the beauty of inequality. You don't have to see the value. You just have to see the sign. So negative into positive is positive. And the last interval is less than minus 2. Less than minus 2. So you can take anything less than minus 2. Let us take as equal to minus 3 only. Right? Anything minus 2. Less than minus 2. So take minus 3. Yes. Very good, Vasco. It will be x minus 3 into x minus 1 into x plus 2. So minus 3, minus 6, negative. Minus 3 into minus 3 minus 1, minus 4, again negative. Minus 3 plus 2, again minus. So minus into minus, what we will get? No, Vastav, it will not always be in alternate pattern. Okay, it will not always be in alternate pattern. Okay, minus. So tell me, if I'm talking about these plus, minus, minus, plus, minus, what are these? Tell me, what are these? These are the sign of polynomial, yes or no? Yes or no? Raise your hand. Hi, Anna. Yes, right? Anyone have any doubt in this till this point? Anyone have any doubt till this point? No, clear. This is very much clear. This is very much clear. Okay, very good. Right, very good, everyone. Now, how to write it? Now, this is step 3. Till step 3, everyone should be clear. Now, last step, when you talk about last step, right? What you require, ask yourself what you require. You require what value? Which kind of value? Positive value, negative value? Tell me. Right? You require what value of this? Greater than 0, which means this should be positive. Yes or no? Require the positive values. Yes or no? Raise your hand. Right? Okay, you require the positive values. As simple as that. So I require positive value. Okay, exactly. Now, if you see this, right, in which interval you will get positive value? In which interval you are getting positive values? Tell me. In which interval, right, you are getting the value as positive, right? Because if you talk about the sign, that is the positive, right? Yes, very good. -2 to -1, right? And Puneet, 3 to infinity. Correct. Very good. Second sister, here we have two intervals, which is -2 to +1, -2 to +1, -2 to +1 intervals. That's why I'm using bracket. Remember, intervals. Union with. Because I'm also getting here, right? 3 to infinity. 3 to infinity. So this is the answer. This is the answer. Yes or no? Raise your hand. This is the answer. Yes or no? Right? Anyone have a doubt on this?